Engineering Department at UTEC. Let's hear more about the event and be sure to support the event on February 9th.
Missy bad gyal a wine and a broke them back, and I look for your bad man fi touch them hot. Bad cap on the rocks that a touch them spot. Gyal roll out it a move them that. Bad with them move who no move themself. For the ex make the gyal them a lose themself. On the floor gyal a prove themself. Don't stop. Gyal broke them personally, personally. Gyal broke. Back it up, love you all. Back it up, love you all. Baby wife, tight and the lock. From the right to the back. Look like you want strike on the rock.
Kinetic Energy, February 9. Theme, Strictly Wet. We have a range of DJs. Arif Cooper, DJ Spin, SJ Nero, and DJ Go Getter from Obsession Street Team. The purpose of Kinetic Energy is for mostly the development of the School of Engineering. It's also to aid high achievers and to fund other events such as Engine Day, Spiritual NRG.
The School of Engineering is basically behind this event. We are the student chapter to basically of the Students Union to basically provide whatever the holistic needs of the students are. So whatever funds we raise, we keep nothing for ourselves basically. We give back to the students as well as we put into our activities, as Mr. Vanzi said, to cater to all the needs of the students, whether it be financial or just their whole well-being. It's just all for development.
Kinetic Energy has been going on from before I was here. And it's just an annual event put on by the School of Engineering.
Well, we have a foam pit. We have our mist tunnel as you walk in. We have a water truck that will be spraying water for the whole night. We also have glow paint that will be here. So when we say lock off the lights and everybody just a rave and them a fit, the soca will be real because it's a water paint soca event. So we just want everybody to come out and enjoy themselves. Also for VIP, we have a dry zone if you don't too fancy the water. And we have free finger foods straight through the night along with mixed liquor for the VIP patrons. 9 p.m., my apologies, until when we're February 9th, that's a Tuesday, but don't pre that. It's the day before Ash Wednesday. Pre this. Listen, it is at the Students Activity Center, aka the barn at UTEC. So everybody, whether you come from Mobile, we're expecting to see you here. $600 pre-sold, $800 at the gate, $1,500 for VIP. Make sure you're there.
Dark and front, right on the top. Baby tiny, tight and lock. Big bump, my girl. I know you like. We got in time. Gonna post a pic of you online, so you could join by my side. Girl, I'm in the mood. I know you're in the mood. Come on, personally.
This week we introduce a new feature called the Ray Proud Jamaican Spirit, where we salute the accomplishments of Jamaicans in sports and entertainment. This feature is sponsored by Ray and Nephew White Overproof Rum.
Jamaican music has attracted fans all over the world. From ska to rocksteady to reggae and dancehall, music lovers have rocked to the Jamaican beat for decades. It comes as no surprise that the prestigious Grammy Awards instituted a category to honor the achievements of reggae music in 1984. The very first Grammy for the Best Reggae Recording was handed out in February 1985, 30 years ago, to Jamaican reggae group Black Uhuru.
Solidarity. Oh, solidarity.
The group won the Grammy for the album Anthem. Since Black Uhuru's win, the Grammy for Best Reggae Recording has been renamed Best Reggae Album. Among the multiple winners of this award over the years are Stephen Marley, Ziggy Marley, Bunny Wailow, Burning Spear, Damian Marley, and Shabba Ranks. The Grammy for Best Reggae Album is a proud moment for Jamaican music, and that is why we are honored to salute this as our Ray Proud Jamaican Spirit. Ray Proud Jamaican Spirit.
The Caribbean video and the new Magnum Top 10 charts and much more are coming up right after this break.